sunny but windy. It is still considered as a nice weather here in the Netherlands. For us, it means a perfect day to ventilate our rooftop tent. We bought this Quechua Rooftop tent in Decathlon a few years ago. We also tested it in different weather conditions, like hot summer, heavy rain, sandy beach. Now, let's check together what is the feeling of wind inside of our rooftop tent. It is loud because the tent is under the wind, and you can feel like the wind is going to blow you to the other side of the world. But in reality, you are standing in the same place. So in conclusion, the feeling is not really comfortable or peaceful, but the structure itself is strong and sturdy.